Apigenus gingerensis, a species of Cenozoic vulture. Diet would have been scavenging carcasses, and habitat unknown. Nessorhinus philippinensis, for their diet a herbivore, and habitat. They would live in forested areas, open grasslands. Proboscideoparion, for their diet herbivore, and environment and habitat. Either open forested areas or wetlands. Rhinoceros platyrrhinus, a giant Asian rhinoceros. For their diet, mixed feeder. And for their habitat environment, open grasslands, forest areas. Stegodon orware, for their habitat, forested areas or open grasslands. Diet herbivore. Stegodon trigonocephalus, for their environment, forested areas, and diet herbivore. Stegodon sidansky, habitat, forested areas, grasslands, and diet herbivore. Treno tiger, habitat, forests and mountainous or hilly regions. And for their diet, mid to large prey. Cenozoic, for their diet and prey. They would have preyed on antelope, deer, elephant calves, aurochs, baboons, and wild horses. And for their habitat, open grasslands, forests. Rhinoceros sinensis, for their diet, same as the rhinoceros herbivore, and habitat, open areas, forested areas, and grasslands. Cynomegaloceros, for their diet, a grazer, and for their habitat and environment, they would have lived in grasslands or open woodlands. And that's it for every Cenozoic animal that could swim on Skull Island. I hope you enjoyed the video. And there will be another video of a certain type of from games that have never been heard of or even been talked about. But it's a secret that you have to find out. So anyways, like and subscribe, and see you later, guys.